Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I got some fresh new gameplay of Airsoft. As you can see, we got some nice fall weather, and I brought out my sniper rifle, so we're going to shake things up a bit.
Oh. Got him. I got both of them. Move it. Wait, no, they're in the woods.
Got him. Where are you? Where they at, Tucker?
Dude, this one is horrible.
This is not good cover, Tucker.
Let's get another cutter.
Hey, Tucker, they keep camping this one point right here.
I think I shot one shit. You see him running?
Was that a BB?
Oh crap, he's over there.
Where's he at? Hey, Tyler's covering us from up there. Hit! Frick! Hey, what's up?
Oh, shoot. I'm a camper.
Y'all see him anywhere?
Yeah, he's behind a barricade over there. I don't know.
Go, go, go! Is that clear?
You see him?
Hey, you see him?
Yeah, dude.
Where at?
Things aren't really looking good since my second holster broke, and now I can't carry my pistol, but that was the end of the first team deathmatch round. We're going on to the second one now.
Oh, I'll go to the spool over there.
I attempted to use some of the tall grass for cover.
Hey, that guy knows we're here. Oh, shoot. Wait, he's aiming over here. Go back, go back. Come on, come on, come on. Oh, moving up, moving up. Hit. Hit, hit.
Clear? Yes, clear, go!
Push, push.
Got him! Got him!
1 Tyler, let's go to the building.
Watch the side. You see him?
Come on, bro.
We were introduced to a new game mode today. It's called Protect the President. It's basically just VIP game mode. And we were the attacking team. We have to target the president and kill him. Once the president dies, the game is over and we win. Also, the president is given a riot shield, so that kind of complicates things.
Up in this container over here.
All right, I'm gonna go for a good building.
All right.
Oh, shoot. They're in mid-building.
Oh, hey. Yo, Braxton. I have an angle on a guy. Right through here. Here, stand right here. He's right through that window. I saw him pop up. He's got a bright red hat on.
Oh,
You get him?
BB's going crazy. He's gone. Right. Dude, the wind is like ruining this. Oh, got him. Hey, you outside on him?
Hey. Oh.
What happened?
All right, I got one kid over here.
Oh.
Someone's on water.
Oh my god.
Get him with choke point too.
Nice. Got one.
Oh, you got a GoPro? Oh,
Yes, sir.
That's awesome. Are you taking like every little video?
Dang it. They're slippery, I'll give them that.
Here. Hey, buddy.
Oh, no.
Go back into the boat. Yeah.
The wind is finally not being stupid. Got one.
Hey, we need more people over here.
Oh.
Over here. God. It's over. Is it over? It's over.
We killed the president?
Yeah.
Let's go.
Someone on our team off camera managed to get the president despite him having a riot shield. The next round that we got is another team deathmatch, and this is the final round.
Oh, yep.
Ow!
Got one.
Yo, over on the right.
Oh.
Can we move in there? No, the mags will over.
No, there's a lot of people coming up this way.
Should we go left side?
No.
Like two of them.
I say we go left side.
Like we're about
No.
to, or we passed it in the
We're
trees.
about to. He's literally like right over there. Like. He's good. Right there. You see the door back? Van.
Follow me! Follow me! Here. Got you. Oh my god, bro.
Still holding up.
Hey, push up if you guys are going.
Out. He's still window. Still window. Still window. Can someone get right there? I'll cover you when you run. Look.
I will.
Right here. Ready? Yeah, let me see how many. 3, 2, 1. None. Anyway. Oh, yeah.
Hey, let's all spread out, okay? I'm gonna go down all the way on the border, but you guys like go around and go to the
Yeah. Like,
window. Go to the container, all right?
Don't all get killed in one stream. Like just. Hey, two
Yeah.
people go around that side of the van.
Yeah.
I'll run with y'all this
You
way.
two go around here.
It's just cover fire. Make
3,
your heads down.
2, 1. Bang!
Let's go!
Bang! Good job. Hey Ted, I'm gonna look I'm gonna run up to that building over there, alright? You can stay here. Oh my god!
And that would be the end of the final round today. So you guys could see the shots I was making weren't very accurate because of the wind, but I learned to adjust to them over time as the game went on. Also, as you could see, the stock of Tucker's gun broke off, so that wasn't great. But yeah, thanks for watching the video, guys. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one.